Good afternoon. This is Brett Hayworth for Siouxland Public Media News. 17 months after devastating flooding, residents and officials in North Sioux City are still working on repairing infrastructure and more. South Dakota Governor Larry Roden on Monday announced a step that brings closer the receipt of a federal block grant for a North Sioux City recovery task. In a release, Roden said the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development approved the state's Community Development Block Grant Disaster Relief Action Plan for North Sioux City. The governor said this approval provides positive momentum, keeping North Sioux City on track for meaningful recovery and future resilience. There was no set amount for the grant at this point, which Roden said will be worked out by federal and state partners. He cited the helpful work by state officials in concert with South Dakota U.S. Senator John Thune. The June 2024 flooding event wreaked havoc in North Sioux City, including heavy damage to many homes in McCook Lake.